When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Life is too short for long term grudges. I think it is very important to have a feedback loop where you are constantly thinking about what you have done and how you could be doing it better. I think that's the single best piece of advice. Constantly think about how you could be doing things better and questioning your own self. Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster. I would rather be optimistic and wrong than pessimistic and right. Great companies. Great companies are built on great products. If I am not in love, if I am not in love, if I am not with a long term companion, I can't be happy. If we drive down, if we drive down the cost of transportation in space, we can do great things.